Building a website? One of the first decisions is where to build and host it. Hostinger gives you a complete platform to build, host, and grow online. Create business sites, portfolios, blogs, and online stores with a website builder and AI tools. Prefer WordPress? Hostinger has hosting and tools that make managing it easier. Build a professional presence with your domain, website, and business tools. And behind it all, infrastructure designed for performance, security, and reliability. As you grow, explore e-commerce, cloud hosting, and more powerful options. Developers can choose cloud and VPS when they need more control. First website or something bigger, Hostinger gives you plenty of ways to grow. Ready to start? Use my coupon code GlitchHost89 at Hostinger. You can also get the current offer 20% off. The link is in the description. Use GlitchHost89 to get started.